I'm gonna show you how to merge onto the highway when you're driving a manual transmission car. So I'm in third gear right now, and I'm doing about 40 miles an hour. And I check if it's clear. Fourth gear, and then I merge in at about 45-50 miles an hour. So as you continue on the highway, you're gonna speed up. So as you speed up past 55 miles an hour, you shift into the fifth gear. And then that takes you all the way to whatever speed you'd like. You can pause it. How you shift if there's a slowdown. Fourth gear, about 45 miles an hour. If it goes slower than that, like 35, you go to third gear. The sense they move up a little bit. So I keep it in fourth. I'm about to exit, so I don't need to shift again. I'll just exit in a bit. Touch the brakes. Below 35. Shift to third. Let out the clutch. Below 20. Shift to second. Let out the clutch. This is how you get on and out of the highway. Thank you for watching.